In its effort to address youth unemployment, the federal government has kicked off Project TMAX, a technical and vocational education and training in Enugu State. The aim of the project is to train 2,000 residents in skill acquisition programs. Bamidele Ajayi has more.
It's one of the federal government poverty reduction program. The pilot scheme of the project is one of the federal government poverty reduction program spearheaded by President Muhammadu Buhari, which is expected to train 15,000 citizens in technical and vocational education. This project is coming at a time that the World Bank 2022 data places Nigeria out of school children at 20 million. In June 2022, the federal government inaugurated a committee on poverty reduction and growth strategy to take 100 million Nigerians out of poverty by 2030. That decision was geared towards addressing 8 out of 17 goals in the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals. At the formal launch of the program in Enugu, the team engaged trainers in an interactive session.
And one of the things I tell the TVET centers when we meet them, as I'm meeting you now, we're going to train Nigerians through you. So the success or failure of this program sits on your shoulders directly and no one else.
Participants at the launch commended the federal government for coming up with a private-driven initiative that will put more money in the hands of the people.
If things like this had been happening in this country, undoubtedly, indubitably, Nigeria would have been so much productive.
And this is something very encouraging and beautiful. So I must say thank you to the federal government for doing this. They should keep doing it.
Meanwhile, TVET delegation visited the state governor, where he spoke on the need to partner the state government for effective monitoring of the project.
The plan ideally is to run it in all the states of the federation, but for this pilot region, we're doing 7 states, and Enugu State is one of the 7 states that we picked to kick off this program.
We note that this country needs people that can do something with their hands and that can do something on their own. Certificate is important, but beyond that, we have gotten to a point where we should be thinking of self-employment.
The SSA to the president says accreditation portal will be open for 2 weeks, after which successful applicants will be chosen with incentives and starter packs given to the trainees. Bamidele Ajayi.